What's up guys, welcome back to another dividend portfolio update video. If you're new here, on this channel I do weekly update videos going over my dividend portfolio after my weekly deposits. So let's see how my portfolio did this week and what stocks I bought. Alright guys, this week we've reached a new all-time high in the dividend portfolio, $23,358. Let's go. That's a gain of $291 on our all-time, about 1.56%. Taking a look at what we bought this week, we've had $3.40 come in from SPHD and $8.35 came in from SCHD. We put that with our weekly $250 deposit and we put $261.81 across 12 buys. We split that up by putting $25.23 in Coca-Cola, $2.07 in Johnson & Johnson, $71.15 in Walgreens, $7.76 in Clorox, $4 in Target, $51 in General Mills, $25.33 in Clorox, $3.59 in McDonald's, $12.34 in Procter & Gamble. We put $12.70 in Kimberly-Clark, $18.57 in Pepsi, and the last $28.02 went to AbbVie. That rounds out our 12 buys for $261.81. Alright, back to the home page. If we want to check out all the dividends we've earned so far year to date, I'll give you a quick scroll. We've amassed $252.39 so far from all 25 of these companies. Some of these are pretty low, but they have pretty low yields, but that means they're growing in appreciation. Everything should balance out, and that's why we're diversified across 25 stocks. Jumping over to the holdings tab, we can see one thing standing out. Broadcom still up 44.5%. Let's go ahead and sort by top gains. Broadcom obviously at the top, 44.8% gain. McDonald's is up almost 11%. Kimberly-Clark up 8.28%. Procter & Gamble's up 7.25%, and Merck & Co., our fifth best performing stock, is up 6.33%. Not too bad at all. On the flip side, Target, it has stopped falling, but it's definitely not made too much of the progress back, down about 17.5%. Walgreens also had a huge drop this week, down about 17.5%. AT&T can never seem to get their stock together, down 14%. It's not the worst performer I have. AbbVie's going through a little bit of a spill, down 10%, and Realty Income, with all the real estate problems going on, down 7%. Here's a quick scroll through all of my stocks, just in case you're curious, for the ones that I missed. When we zoom into the chart, we can actually see a lot more clear picture of what's been happening when you invest every single week. Should go up and to the right. Sure, you might have some sideways months, some sideways weeks, but it's still overall going to be going up and to the right. And even when it's going sideways, you're building out that cash flow position with the bigger dividends at the lower prices. So it's never all bad. Jumping over to the Dividend Tracker, everything is up to date. You can see we're at a new all-time high for annual income at $876.16 expected to come in. But we know that keeps going up every week when I deposit. So far, we're set to make $74.68 in June, which is not too bad at all. Getting near $100, that's very exciting. Our yield on cost and dividend yield are both 3.72. Scrolling down to some of the statistics on my holdings, I have some extra columns in here we don't normally have. I have annual income, dividend yield, and the weight each position is in the portfolio. So let's go ahead and sort by annual income, which is obviously what we're here for, which is more or less going to be also sorting by dividend yield, because we have the same weighting in every stock, so the higher the dividend yield, the higher annual income. So it's no shock that we're making the highest $77.97 from Altria, $66.53 from Verizon, $65 from AT&T, $60 a year from Walgreens, $46 a year from Realty Income, $41 a year from SPHD, $40 a year from AbbVie, and the list goes on and on, guys. This is the best part about dividend investing. All of these are paychecks that I'm set to be paid out every single year. And the best part, when I keep adding, they'll keep growing. Another thing we can sort by is our weight. Let's see, Broadcom with that huge jump up, that 44% jump, has got itself at 5% of the portfolio. It's not going to be getting added to anytime soon. Most of my other stocks are in line. Then we have the bottom half that are getting kind of low, under 4%, that we need to put more money into. Walgreens still needing the most. Anyways, that wraps up this week's recap, guys. Make sure and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.